Okay, let's take some driving lessons. Well, this is not a driving lesson. I'm just going out to pick my wife from work, but I just want you to observe the road while I drive, okay? And pay attention to some of the choices I make as you look ahead of me. Sounds good? Let's go. Oh, well. Reversing, pulling out of our parking lot.
Who are you talking to?
I'm talking to the camera. So you can see I'm pulling out gently, even though I could have pulled out faster. So driving safely means being careful. So reversing, you need to really go out gently because there could be somebody in your back, right? Signal. There's a vehicle on my right hand side, so I give him way because he's on my right hand side. You give way to traffic on the right at an intersection. Entering road, I signal, I wait, it's free, and I'm going. On the side of the road, no sharp turns, because since there's ice on the road, if you make sharp turns, your vehicle is likely going to slide. So if you want to turn, you turn gently, like I'm going to turning gently, right? Like this is not like a turn away, but I'm just on a curve, right? So you curve gently too. At the intersection, slow for them. Now we're approaching a traffic light. It's green, but if you look at the pedestrian sign, it's a blinking and now it has changed to yellow. So when you approach a stop sign, watch the pedestrian sign too. If it's a red hand, like a stop sign for the pedestrian, just approach with caution, because that means that light can change anytime soon. Okay, it's kind of a little bit odd. Let me see if I'm going to do this change lanes, because at the second intersection, after the second intersection, I'll be turning right, so I'll change lanes. I'll signal, mirror check, it's free, so I'll change my lane. Approach the intersection, approach with caution, I'm going straight. See what I'm working. And when you stop in front of a vehicle, stop at a position where you can see their back tire. Okay, so the vehicle in my front, I can see the back tire fully. That's the safe way to stop. If you go too close, that's not safe stopping. Okay. Signaling and following with caution. I don't know what it intends to do. Okay, it's entering the freeway, so I'll enter the freeway, so I signal to. So while entering a freeway, once your hand is straight like this, you can accelerate your vehicle. Okay, having a car, but no, let's ignore. Keep accelerating. Signal, mirror check, shoulder check is free. You can enter the freeway. Okay, so we're on the freeway now. This is Circle Drive. I see in the distance I'm following that vehicle. That's a safe distance with 3-second rule. So if I get to where he is, I can count 3 seconds before I can get to where that vehicle is. Okay? So that's a safe following distance. Driving within the speed limit. If he's driving above the speed limit, I'll reduce my speed, because I won't follow him, because I want to maintain 3 seconds and then I will increase my speed to, drive above the speed limits. No, I won't do that. And if he's driving too slow and I want to increase, I can just change lane then pass him. Right? So let's pass him. We'll signal, mirror check, shoulder check, the road is free. I'll change to the other lane. Leave my signal until I'm on this lane straight. Right? I can remove my signal. See? Smoothly. That's how to pass a vehicle. What is happening behind me, I would have taught you a technique for controlling the vehicle behind you. You know, part of defensive driving is driving the vehicles around you, right? So if you could see what is happening behind me, there's something I would have taught you, but let me explain it to you. So let's assume that I'm on this road now, right? On the next bridge, I want to stop there. And there's a vehicle behind me. I'll slow down from this point, stop, put my legs on my brake for like 2 seconds. I will move my leg. That vehicle behind me will see my brake lights. He too will see that, oh, this guy is stopping. He will tap his brake a little too. So that will slow him down. I will release my brake, right? As I approach, I tap a little and I'm watching him, right? Until I know that, okay, he's slowed down to a point that if I want to stop, he will smash me from behind. So that's one technique that you can use to drive the vehicle behind you. You know, tactfully signal to him that you are going to stop soon, right? So you kind of, you're forcing him to stop. Funny, right? Okay, I'm going to change lane because I'll go to the right hand lane. Vehicle behind me doing same, so I'll give the vehicle space to do that first before I do. So signal. There's a vehicle coming, and mirror check, shoulder check, and allow the vehicle to go. Continue on my lane. Mirror check again, shoulder check again is free, so I'll enter that lane now. I enter the right hand most lane, so I'll do another shoulder check since I'm doing a 2-lane change with my signal still on. Now I'm on this lane straight. I can drop my signal. Continue. braking, smooth braking. I'm emphasizing this because I've observed a lot of people don't brake safely. Smooth. So much traffic.